Hello, today we'll fix this microwave oven. This microwave is working, but if you put anything inside this microwave, there is no any heat for food. As you see, the display is working and light inside working, but it does not heat any food. As you see, we put a piece of bread here, and I wait for 1 minute. Now after I check, the bread is still cold. So now after we open the cover, we will test the parts of microwave. The main part, the display is okay, but now we check here this fuse. Fuse is working. Here we have two fuses here, and we check this transformer, this high tension transformer. It must read from here coil. Now it's read. That means working okay. This transformer connect with this capacitor, and there is diode also here. So we test the capacitor and diode, and this connect with the magnetron here. We check the capacitor. Capacitor must not read anything. As you see, it does not read anything. And we check the diode here between capacitor and ground. It's read from side, and from other side does not read. That means the diode is okay. Now we check the magnetron here. Magnetron take voltage from capacitor and transformer here. This magnetron gives the wave to heat the food. It's the final stage of microwave working. Final step is give the wave here to heat the food. So we will test this magnetron. As you see from here, it's read coil. It's read coil. And we check with the ground, coil with the ground. So we see it must not read here anything, but we see it's read about 114 ohm. So we will open this magnetron and we test it outside. We remove the cover here. This is the magnetron. This is the gun we give the waves, and this here, as you see, there is magnetic inside. Now this is two coil connect with this connector, and this connector will connect with transformer. Now we we will remove the coil connection between coil and this connector in order to check, because there is inside this white connector there is two capacitor. Now we remove this coil and we will check between the connector and the ground. As you see, it's read here leak. This is leak. It must not read anything. Read with the ground. Leak. There is leak. And with this coil side there is no leak. See, there is inside here there is two capacitor inside this piece of connector. Now if we have this connector, we can fix the magnetron, but if we don't have, now we bring the new magnetron. This is the old one and this is the new one. We will replace the old one and we will check if the microwave work or not. Now we put back inside the oven. Actually, most of microwave problem is from magnetron, because magnetron is have very high wave frequency. Now we connect the pin with the new magnetron and we will test it. Here now we put a piece of bread inside and we will see if it's well heated or not. Now after 2 minutes, as you see, it's hot. That means the magnetron is okay, it's working. The oven is working. Now we will check the amps. Actually, if the magnetron work, the oven take about 4 amps. As you see here, testing by club meter, it's take 4 amps. That means the oven is working okay. Now after we assemble all the microwave, we will make the final test. We bring a cup of water, glass of water, when we will put it inside and we will check for the final test. we put for 2 minutes. Now after 2 minutes finish, as you see the water is hot. The water is hot. That means the microwave is working okay. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.